Look at this thing.
What is it?
In the middle of the road.
I think he's okay, but he doesn't. Come on.
It's up. In my rearview mirror while I was sitting here, and I saw this guy. And then there's 5 of them here. And someone has abandoned these puppies, and I cannot leave them here. Everyone's coming home with me. They're super sweet too. Come here.
They're waiting for him. Oh my God. No. Come here, baby. Give her a kiss. He's dragging his legs. Oh my God. Oh Jesus. Oh my God, you forgot your baby.
Open it. The puppy's in there.
Can you hold him?
Yeah.
No way. Oh, he's so cute. Turn around and let him grab you. No, it's a deer.
get out of the road. Hey there, little guy. We got a baby deer. Mommy's over there. Go back to mommy.
Hi. Hi. Hi, Mama. Did you bring me your baby? Oh, Mama.
Nice to meet you.
3 boys.
Oh my goodness. What happened? What happened?
It's okay, honey.
Come here, baby.
Yeah.
You lost it?
Oh my gosh. Now look what I see. Oh. He's so beautiful. Hello.
I can't drive because there's a baby goose. What are you doing, baby? My little friend, can you get out of my car? Where did you go? Oh, hi. Oh God, it's sitting. It's sitting. Oh God, I think it loves me. I think it thinks I'm its mother.
Hot dog. Hot dog.
Come on.
Oh my goodness. What happened? What happened?
Oh
my goodness.
I'm about to cry. It's alive. Come here. Good boy.
Any guesses on what's in here? I'm betting a squirrel. Said I'm betting it's a squirrel.
I think they're gonna do good. They're already good at climbing, dude.
So the babies are all getting big. Hi, crazy boy.
He did. We're gonna help you.
The puppies in there.
Oh my god.
No way!
Hi, baby. What are you doing? Are you getting the phone? What you doing, little beanie? Oh my gosh, where are you going? Look, back over there. What are you doing?